Hi guys, I just dropped by to share with you my latest skincare find. So alam ko, ang dami-dami na natin natatry na products, skincare products, specifically dito sa market. And syempre, isa ako doon, guilty sa mga natatry ng mga skincare product from makeup to skincare and so on. Kasi dami-dami ng mga product na natatry natin, ilan lang talaga yung hihiyang sa balat natin. Since I'm already in my 30s, naghahanap tayo ng mga skincare na syempre nakaka-fight ng aging or yung mga wrinkles, diba? Kasi naglalabasan na yan guys. And one of the skincare product na na-discover ko is itong Easy OK Niacinamide Whitening Anti-Wrinkle Essence. Ayan siya guys. For the packaging itself, this is so unique and hindi siya common sa market. Actually, this is my first time seeing this type of packaging. This essence is watery, fast absorbing, helps control oil, smoothens texture, and fades dark spots. And syempre, ang main ingredient nito is niacinamide na alam naman natin nakaka-brighten and helps strengthen skin barrier. And I'm just using it for a few days guys, and look at my face, it's glowing, diba? Totoo yung glow. Pero guys, hindi agad-agad. Real glow takes time. Try na ang Easy OK Niacinamide Anti-Wrinkle Essence.